Have you ever pondered the magnetic allure of certain individuals when they enter a room? It's as if an invisible force field surrounds them, effortlessly drawing others in. This phenomenon is what we call a magnetic personality. It's a unique blend of charm, charisma, and unwavering self-assuredness, so palpable that it captivates and intrigues those in its presence. These individuals possess an aura that is both captivating and irresistible. They exude an energy that people can't help but be drawn towards. But what makes these people so appealing? Is it their looks, intelligence, or wealth? While these factors may contribute to their magnetism, the true secret lies much deeper. It's about their character, their attitude, and their approach to life and people. Today we'll unveil the secrets behind this allure and share tips on how you can enhance your attractiveness to others. So, stay tuned as we journey into the realm of magnetic appeal. The first secret to being more attractive is embracing positivity. Imagine waking up every morning and perceiving the world through a lens of optimism. Challenges transform into opportunities, and life becomes a beautiful journey. Positivity is not just about wearing a sunny disposition. It's a powerful force that enables us to see the best in every situation, learn from our mistakes, and keep moving forward, regardless of the obstacles we face. It's more than pretending everything is perfect when it's not. It's about acknowledging challenges and choosing to focus on the good despite them. Positivity is contagious. It creates an uplifting atmosphere that inspires those around you. Your optimism can encourage others to adopt a similar outlook, creating a ripple effect of positivity. Moreover, positivity affects how people perceive you. When you radiate positivity, you emit an energy that attracts others. You become a beacon of light in a sometimes dark world. People are naturally drawn to those who emanate positivity because it makes them feel good, gives them hope, and makes them want to be around you. However, it's important to note that positivity isn't about ignoring problems. It's about acknowledging them and choosing to focus on the good. To cultivate positivity, start by practicing gratitude. Surround yourself with positive people, read uplifting material, practice mindfulness, and, most importantly, believe in your ability to overcome any obstacle. Remember that a positive outlook is the first step towards becoming a magnet for others. Another vital factor in magnetism is confidence. Have you ever noticed how some individuals seem to light up a room the moment they walk in? That's not just charisma, it's confidence. Confidence is like an invisible cloak that you wear, and it has the power to make you irresistibly attractive. It's not about arrogance or bravado, but a quiet assurance in your abilities and self-worth. Imagine being at a party where two people walk in. One is reserved and keeps to themselves, while the other exudes confidence, making eye contact and engaging in conversations. Who are you more likely to be drawn to? It's likely the confident person. Confidence is a potent display of strength, and people are naturally attracted to it. Confidence is not something you are born with. It's something you cultivate, a muscle that you need to work on consistently. It's about facing your fears, embracing challenges, and growing from them. The more you practice confidence, the more magnetic you become. To boost your confidence, start by acknowledging your achievements, celebrating your victories, no matter how small, and learning from your failures. Surround yourself with positivity and believe in your abilities, always striving for improvement. Wearing your confidence like a badge will change the way people perceive you, not just externally, but internally as well. Active listening is another secret to being attractive. It's an art, a skill that can be honed, and it goes beyond just staying quiet while someone else talks. Active listening is about being fully present, showing empathy, and responding in a way that demonstrates understanding. It's a critical factor in building strong relationships because when you genuinely listen to someone, you convey that you value their thoughts and, more importantly, that you value them. This is incredibly validating for the person speaking and can foster a deep sense of connection. Active listening involves three key elements: giving the speaker your undivided attention, showing that you're listening through body language and verbal affirmations, and providing feedback that shows you're engaged in the conversation. When you actively listen, you make the other person feel seen and heard, and people are naturally drawn to those who make them feel valued and understood. They gravitate toward those who can sit with them in moments of joy, pain, confusion and clarity, and truly listen without judgment. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation, try to engage in active listening. Let the other person speak, truly hear them out, and respond thoughtfully. You'll find that this simple act can transform your relationships and make you someone people crave to be around. Being an authentic person is at the heart of attraction. Authenticity in its purest form is about being genuine, real, and above all true to yourself. It's about embracing your individuality, quirks, strengths, and even your weaknesses. Authenticity means letting go of the need to impress others and focusing on being authentically you. This doesn't mean disregarding societal norms or being rude under the guise of being real. It's about being honest with tact and consideration. It's about expressing your opinions respectfully and being vulnerable without oversharing or making others uncomfortable. Authenticity is powerful because it stands out in a world where we're bombarded with images of perfection. It's rare, refreshing, and relatable. When you're authentic, you connect with others who value realness. Being authentic shows that you're comfortable in your own skin, confident, and have high self-esteem, traits that people find attractive. Authenticity is a journey, not a switch that can be flipped on and off. It's about constantly striving to be true to yourself, your values, and your beliefs. It's about being open to growth, learning, and evolving. It's about being brave enough to show the world who you really are, flaws and all. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine, because the most magnetic people are those who are unapologetically themselves. In summary, the secret to being attractive is not about changing who you are, but enhancing what you already have. Embrace these tips and watch as the world becomes drawn to you. You possess the power to cultivate a magnetic personality through positivity, confidence, active listening, and authenticity. These qualities will make people crave being around you, and you'll become a magnet for meaningful connections and opportunities. So, go out there and let your authentic, confident, positive, and active listening self shine, and see the transformation in your relationships and overall appeal.